Hello guys, welcome back to your channel TNN. Today we will let you know about SpaceX projects. Before that, don't forget to subscribe if you do like our content. Let's get started. So what is SpaceX? Many of the people must be aware of it already. And those who are not, we got you covered up. Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, SpaceX, is an American astronautics, space transportation and communication company with headquarters in Hawthorne, California. SpaceX was founded in 2002 by Elon Musk with the aim of reducing transportation costs in space to enable the colonization of Mars. SpaceX manufactures the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy launchers, several rocket engines, the Dragon cargo, the Crew Dragon spacecraft, and the Starlink communication satellite. There were many projects launched by SpaceX. Some of them failed, while some succeeded with flying colors. So let's have a look on them. In 2006, SpaceX's first launch failed just 33 seconds after takeoff, cause a rusty nut. In 2007, the company's next opportunity to establish credibility also ended in failure. The engine stopped prematurely and the rocket failed to reach the orbit. In 2008, bringing the ashes of Star Trek's star James Scotty Doohan into space would have resonated with SpaceX a lot if instead the payload hadn't fallen into the sea. SpaceX's first payload for NASA has also been brought on board. This third failure almost broke the company completely. He was rescued just a day after the crash by billionaire Peter Thiel, the company's top outside investor. That's right, SpaceX, which some say could save humanity by finding us homes on other planets, has been revived by a Trump supporter, a politician, if he takes power. Controlled nuclear arsenal can wipe out humanity. In 2015, a SpaceX rocket evaporates shortly after launch. It's June 28, the birthday of the company founder Elon Musk. There are 2 NASA payloads on board for the International Space Station. NASA has since negotiated significant discounts on its SpaceX contracts. In 2016, SpaceX lost its rocket before launch after the vehicle exploded during refueling. As Musk can see, this is just another setback on the road to making humans an interplanetary species. And whatever you think of its plans, SpaceX remains well on its way to success despite numerous costly failures. Now, on to the achievements. After all these failures, we need to see the humongous success he got, making him the richest person on the earth. On the 4th launch, however, in September 2008, the Falcon 1 correctly reached orbit, making the primary privately advanced liquid gas rocket to attain Earth's orbit, consistent with SpaceX. In total, the car turned into released 5 times. Originally, the Enterprise deliberate to broaden and more suitable model of Falcon 1 referred to as Falcon 1E. However, that turned into scrap in desire of the Falcon 9. SpaceX Dragon spacecraft is a capsule designed to transport astronauts and supplies to the International Space Station (ISS). In 2010, SpaceX launched Dragon into orbit aboard Falcon 1's successor, the Falcon 9 rocket. SpaceX made history once again when the unmanned Dragon returned to Earth in December 2010, landing into the Pacific Ocean a few hundred kilometers off the coast of Mexico. This is the first time a private spacecraft has successfully returned to orbit. In another amazing achievement, SpaceX made history as the first private company to dock with the International Space Station. More than a year after the Dragon's successful return to Earth, SpaceX sent it to the ISS on May 25, 2012. Astronauts on the space station used a robotic arm to pull the Dragon capsule into a port station mooring. Since that mission, SpaceX has sent Dragon to the ISS several times on resupply missions for NASA. Developing technologies to land and reuse spacecraft is one of the main reasons why Elon Musk founded SpaceX initially. Knowing that the consensus on Mars at the time was that sending humans there with current technologies was forbidden, Elon Musk set out to improve the aerospace industry. One of the key improvements needed to be the ability to reuse large spacecraft parts that would otherwise disintegrate in orbit. The first step to doing this is the landing of an early stage orbital rocket. SpaceX achieved this feat in 2015 with the first manned vertical landing in history using the Falcon 9 rocket booster. Starhopper is SpaceX Mk-1 prototype for Starship, the rocket that Musk hopes will eventually send humans to Mars. To test the immense power of Starship's Raptor engines in flight, SpaceX performed jumps with Starhopper. In other words, they sent the spacecraft into the air without reaching orbit. Starhopper's first successful jump takes him 65 feet into the air before landing on the ground. As Elon Musk posted on Twitter, water towers can fly. After SpaceX completed a flight test of its Crew Dragon capsule, all systems were ready for SpaceX's first astronaut launch. The historic flight took off without a hitch, departing on May 30, 2020 and docking at the ISS a day later on May 31. On August 18, 2020, SpaceX achieved two impressive milestones with just one launch. SpaceX's 11th Starlink satellite launch is also the 100th launch in the company's history. In addition, this mission is also the 60th time SpaceX has reused the Falcon 9 B1049 booster. That's a new record for the number of times SpaceX or any company, for that matter, has reused a commercial rocket to date, a true testament to SpaceX's commitment to rocket reuse. And these are just some of his main achievements. There are a lot to future projects too, which we will talk about in detail in the next video. That's it for the day. Keep tuned in for upcoming interesting and informative videos. Thank you.